Ski with Mandii, and I am Mandii. Gua Sha de-swells, don't trust me? Have a look at this photo. And then look at this photo. That's me doing Gua Sha for quite a few years now. Guides the toxins to the lymphatic drainage area and detox down. Let's dive right in. If you like the video, like the vibe, click the subscribe or like button. It will make my day. In the next video. Bye.